No smoking effects on diabetics patients. Smoking for people suffering from diabetes can be fatal. The eyes of the smokers' diabetic patients are very bad. Smoking people with diabetes have a higher risk of heart attack. Passive smoking is too dangerous. Regarding smoking, it is often said that it is harmful to health. Nevertheless, those who get addicted to it do not leave it. Therefore, this harmful addiction should be left to everyone, but if you are suffering from diabetes, then it is also important to quit smoking. Smoking for people suffering from diabetes can be fatal. Let us know why smoking is so fatal for people suffering from diabetes. Smoking effect on diabetics. Smoking has a very bad effect on the nervous system. It weakens the nervous system very much, due to which the person becomes a victim of many diseases. But if a person is suffering from diabetes, and he smokes, then it hurts his nervous system rapidly. Smoking causes the nerves of diabetic patients to become so damaged that they suffer from heart disease, sexual problems, besides diabetes. Nerves of some individuals are so damaged that their limbs are cut off. Diabetes similarly affects the kidneys, but its effect on the smoking person is 4 times or more. Smoking causes the person's kidneys to develop rapidly, which does not immediately take the patient's life but makes his condition naturally. Smoking also affects the eyes too much. As is said in a saying that one is bent over and above, it can be said on the lines that one is the habit of smoking above diabetes. God can save such people from being blind or becoming a kidney patient because the patients who smoke in diabetes have very bad eyes. This is due to their nerves being damaged. Smoking affects blood vessel. Diabetes weakens the heart and causes heart diseases. But people who smoke while still having diabetes, the placenta starts on the inner walls of their blood vessels, by which blood circulation becomes so severe that the patient gets a heart attack. Some patients affected with stroke attack. In some serious cases, the patient can go for a lifetime of coma. Not only in the United States but in countries other than Asian countries, the number of people suffering from smoking in diabetes occurs in millions every year. Many people die because of a heart attack, but people who smoke while having diabetes, the possibility of dying from their heart attacks is many times more than the common people. What is the harm caused by smoking cigarettes? By smoking cigarettes, the sugar level of any person increases suddenly, and if a patient of diabetes smokes, then its sugar level, that is the level of blood glucose, comes at such a speed that greatly damages the patient. Occasionally takes life or paralyzed for a lifetime. Cigarette impact on women. If a woman suffers from diabetes, then her menopause begins as early as possible due to her side effects, because smoking causes a lot of imbalance in her estrogen hormone. Smoking also has a very bad effect on women's endocrine system. Passive smoking is also extremely dangerous. People who smoke do not only harm their health, but also harm the health of every person living with them. Yes, those who do not drink cigarettes but who live in harmony with cigarette smokers, they also pull cigarette smoke inside their breath, which is called passive smoking. Non-smokers who are disabled by smoking also become victims of many diseases, and many of them go to the mouth of death. So if you love yourself, or love your loved ones, then quit smoking completely as soon as possible.